तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Please write down modeler program. MODELER, modeler program. SPSS Modeler program enables researchers to build and validate predictive models using advanced statistical procedures. I'm repeating, SPSS Modeler program enables researchers to build and validate predictive models using advanced statistical procedures. Full stop. Next, text analytics for survey program. Text analytics for surveys program. SPSS Text Analytics for surveys program helps survey administrators uncover powerful insights from responses to open-ended survey questions. I repeat, SPSS Text Analytics for Surveys program helps survey administrators uncover powerful insights from responses to open-ended survey questions. Namrata, can you tell me what I have told?
Yes, sir. SPSS Text-Analytics for survey program helps in survey administrators uncover powerful insights from responses to open-ended survey questions.
Okay. Sridevi, can you tell me what I told about the text analytics?
Yes, sir. SPSS Text Analytics for Surveys program helps survey administrators uncover powerful insights from responses to open-ended survey questions.
So please write Visualization Designer. Visualization Designer. SPSS Visualization Designer program. SPSS Visualization Designer program allows researchers to use their data to create to create a wide variety of visuals like density charts, and radial box plots from their survey data with ease. Rashi, please tell me what I have told. Hello, Rashi. Oh, not permanent. Tanusri, can you tell? Hello, Tanusri, please tell. You are not here. Sridevi.
স্যার আমি বাসে আছি
Okay, okay. Sridevi, please tell.
স্যার বলছি
Please you tell. SPSS Visualization.
SPSS Visualization Designer program allows researcher to use their data to create a wide variety of visuals like density charts and radial box plots from their survey data with ease.
Correct. Thank you. Please write down. In addition to the other programs, SPSS provides solutions for data management, which allow researchers to perform case selection, create derived data, and perform file reshaping I repeat, in addition to the other program, SPSS also provides solutions for data management, which allow researchers to perform case selection, create derived data, and perform file reshaping. Now next, SPSS also offers data documentation, which allows researchers to store a metadata dictionary full stop. This metadata dictionary acts as a centralized repository of information pertaining to the data such as meaning, comma, relationships to other data, comma, origin, comma, usage, comma, and format. I repeat, SPSS offers data documentation, comma, which allows researchers to store a metadata dictionary. This metadata dictionary acts as a centralized repository of information pertaining to the data such as meaning, comma, relationships to other data, comma, origin, comma, usage, comma, and format. Good stuff. There are a handful of statistical methods that can be leveraged in SPSS. Including descriptive statistics, bivariate statistics, numeral outcome prediction, and prediction for identifying groups. Anamika, can you tell what I have told?
Yes, sir. SPSS also offers data documentation, which allows researchers to store a metadata dictionary. Metadata dictionary acts as a centralized repository of information pertaining to data such as meaning, relationship to other data, of origin, usage, and format. There are a handful of statistical methods that can be leveraged in SPSS, including descriptive statistics, bivariate statistics, and numeral outcomes predictions and predictions for identifying groups.
Correct. Jim, can you tell What is metadata dictionary?
Sir, I have no idea about metadata.
Okay. Dr. Ali, can you tell what
Yes,
is
sir.
what is metadata dictionary?
This dictionary contains all sorts of data. That means where metacognitive skill can be developed, or we can get any sorts of data from this main data core collection system.
Sri Devi, can you tell?
Yes, sir. So the dictionary meaning of metadata is it gives information about other data. I mean, the basic definition is that, and we can collect all sort of data as Lutfer sir has said regarding the cognitive skill, then affective skill, domain related
She is
to.
not psychology, Sri Devi. This is SPSS.
Yes, sir.
This is SPSS. I have already
Yes,
given the notes, but you are not following.
sir.
And Dr. Ali, you are not following. IJM, you are not following. This is very bad.
Sir.
I have already given the notes, but you are not following. Okay.
Sir, I just show.
Please you write down. Please you write down. Descriptive statistics include frequencies, comma, cross tabulation, comma, and descriptive ratio statistics. Next, bivariate statistics includes.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please repeat that? Descriptive statistics include frequency.
Descriptive statistics include methodologies such as frequencies,
Yes, sir.
cross tabulation,
Okay.
and descriptive ratio statistics.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Bivariate statistics includes methodologies such as analysis of variance, comma, means, comma, correlation, comma, and non-parametric tests. Numeral outcome prediction includes linear and nonlinear regression, prediction for identifying groups include methodologies of cluster analysis and factor analysis. So Pritikana, hello Pritikana,
Yes, sir.
please tell descriptive statistics include.
Descriptive statistics include methodologies such as frequency, cross-tabulation, and descriptive ratio statistics.
Correct. Rupali, what is the bivariate statistics include?
Sir, bivariate statistics include the methodologies of analysis of variance, means, correlation, and non-parametric tests.
Correct. Now IGEM, numeral outcome includes?
So numeral parametric prediction outcome includes linear and non-linear discretion. Prediction for identifying groups include methodologies of cluster
Okay,
analysis.
Tishen Chokki, what is numeral outcome prediction?
So numeral outcome prediction includes linear and non-linear regression.
Wow, very good. Clap, clap.
Thank you, sir.
Basudev Saha, what is prediction for identifying groups?
Sir, prediction for identifying group includes methodologies of cluster and factor analysis.
Cluster analysis and factor analysis. Very good.
Yes, sir.
You are very good students.
No, sir, you are also my respected sir.
Thank you. Okay. Now you write down syntax editor. SPSS syntax is a programming language unique to SPSS that can be used as an alternative to the drop-down menus for data manipulation and statistical analysis. SPSS syntax is a programming language unique to SPSS that can be used as an alternative to the drop-down menu for data manipulation and statistical analysis. The syntax editor window where users can write comma, debug.
Sir, what can you repeat this?
Users can write
Yes, sir.
comma, debug
Okay.
and execute SPSS syntax. Full stop. To open a new syntax editor window, click File, then New, then Syntax. Next para. The right panel of the syntax editor window is where your syntax is entered. Full stop. The left panel of the syntax editor window shows an outline of the commands in your syntax, comma, and can be used to navigate within your code. Full stop. You can jump to a specific part of your code by clicking on the command in the left panel. Full stop. This feature is useful for showing the start and end points of a command, comma, especially if the command is longer than one line. I repeat, the right panel of the syntax editor window is where your syntax is entered. The left panel of the syntax editor window shows an outline of the commands in your syntax and can be used to navigate within your code. You can jump to a specific part of your code by clicking on the command in the left panel. Full stop. This feature is useful for showing the start and end points of a command, comma, especially if the command is longer than one line. Rashi, you have raised your hand. What happens? Hello, Rashi. Okay. Tishatin Chokki, can you tell me how we can open the syntax window? How we can open the syntax editor window?
So the syntax editor sir, can be used to write and debug and execute SPSS syntax. So first we have to click File, then we go to New, and then to the syntax.
Wow, very good.
Yes, sir.
Clap, clap, clap.
Thank you, sir.
Basudev, can you tell me why we are using the syntax window? What is
Sir,
it is alternative to something. What is that?
where users can write, debug, and execute SPSS syntax. So, sir.
Okay, now fill up the gaps. Akanksha Taman. Dash of the syntax editor window is where your syntax is entered.
So can you just once repeat it?
No, I will not repeat.
The of the window is where your syntax is entered.
No, the right answer is the right panel.
Okay.
Please follow between the lines. Otherwise, you cannot prepare yourself. You cannot teach your student. Your students will ask so many questions, you will be in odd situation. Now, Namrata, please ready. The left panel of the dash editor window shows an outline of the commands in your syntax.
Syntax editor window, sir.
Correct. Clap, clap, clap. You can jump to a specific part of your code by clicking on the command in the Sridevi dash.
The left panel. Left
Wow,
panel.
good, good, very good. So now please write down. Syntax can be saved as an star dot SPS file, small SPS file, by clicking File, next Save, or File, next Save As, within the syntax editor window. Now write down syntax commands. Syntax is a command-driven language that tells SPSS what actions to perform on the data. Full stop. Using syntax commands, in bracket, rather than drop-down menus, is preferable for several reasons. First, syntax allows users to write commands that are not available via drop-down menus. Number two, syntax provides a useful log of what steps you have taken while working with your data. Full stop. Syntax allows you to easily edit your commands, comma, in any order, comma, rather than having to reselect each drop-down command if you decide to change some part of your analysis. Next, syntax allows you to consistently reproduce your commands, comma, which is important for validating your methods. Overall, syntax offers more flexibility, comma, a clearer record, comma, and greater ease in making changes and rerunning commands. Full stop. It does take some practice to learn to write the basic command language, comma. But once you learn the language, the benefits of working with data in this way will become very clear. To use syntax, click File, Next New, Next Syntax. This opens a new syntax editor window where you can write and execute syntax commands.
Sir, could you please repeat this line?
To use syntax, click File, then New, then Syntax. This opens a new syntax editor window where you can write and execute syntax commands. Rupali Joshi, please you tell syntax commands. Hello, Rupali, are you here? Okay.
Sir, I am here.
Yeah,
I could not
please.
sit down because I am getting ready for my office.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Sir, syntax is essential for essential for the all the kind of information, all the kinds of commands which we did in during our analysis.
Okay. Sridevi, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Please.
So yes, sir. To use syntax, we have to click File. Then we have to move to syntax. Next, editor. This opens a new syntax editor window where you can write syntax commands.
Okay, how syntax helps us? Basudev Shaha?
Sir, syntax is a language that tells SPSS what actions to perform on the data.
Okay. Raju, can you tell how it helps? 4 points are there. Anamika, can you tell these 4 points? What happens? Syntax allows users to write commands. Please
Commands
write
that are not available. Then syntax allows you syntax allows to use easy. So I missed this portion, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Then syntax allows you to continuously reproduce your commands for validation of methods. Sir, 2 points. I think so I've not written it clearly.
Okay. So who can tell how syntax helps? The 4 points are there. Raise your hand. Preeti?
May I?
Yes, Tishan, please.
Yes, first one, syntax allows users to write commands that are not available via drop-down menus. Secondly, syntax provides a useful log of what steps you have taken while working with your data. Thirdly, syntax allows to easily edit your commands in any order rather than having to reselect each drop-down command if you decide to change some part of your analysis. And finally, syntax allows you to consistently reproduce your commands, which is important for validating your methods.
Wow, good. Very good. Very good. So who can tell, that is how syntax helps us? In brief. Why do we use instead of the drop-down menu syntax? Madam Chuki already told you.
Sir, may I try? Sir, it is more flexible, and it is more clear to record this, and it is one could easily change by and rerun the commands.
Correct. So Anamika, now you show your data through the SPSS. You can share the screen so that I can solve your problem, whatever you are telling, no?
Yes, sir.
So I am making you host. There is some technical problem. Okay.
Sir, may I send you the file instead, because sir, I am not able to be the host here.
Okay. Don't worry. I am showing you. Is it visible? No.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, I'm sharing the screen now. I think this is based upon Anamika's question. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir, visible. Thank you.
Okay, so here it is a name. Okay, you can write down.
Yes, sir.
Initially, when you want to enter the data, initially you have to write down the name. Okay, and there will be no gap.
Yes, sir.
After that, there is a type.
Yes.
So you are thinking that is the age is the numeric. Okay, and width is 8. Decimal we do not know. We do not want the decimal. Okay, so we want to click it 0. Then there is a label which is not required now, values, because this will help you provide the meta dictionary. So missing not
Yes,
required.
sir. This was my no, sir. This was my question, sir. When I copied that data to the SPSS file, so sir, these were missing. So sir, that is what I wanted to ask, sir. Are we supposed to fill it by ourselves, or the SPSS does it by itself?
Which one? This
The
label.
label.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You have to do by yourself. Okay, I'm telling
Yes.
you. 1 second. So next is the sex. Okay, that is also numeric. Now I am coming to the label. So I am writing sex. Sorry. Male equal to 1. Okay, and female equal to 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now I am writing the value label. Okay, so if it is the value is 1, then label will be male. Is it clear, the meta dictionary?
Yes, sir.
So again, you go to this part. So value is 2 and label is female. Is it clear, this meta dictionary now it is? So you will get the 1 means male, 2 means female. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then okay. Now you go to the data view. Okay, and the age is there. So you can write down 30, 25, 26, 32, 35, 27, 35, 24, 25, 23, 24, 20, 25. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So 10 data are there. So where lies the central tendency? Who can tell? Where lies the central tendency? Okay, how many female and how many male?
So 5 males.
Correct. Then automatically 5 females. Okay. Now I am going to the analyze. Okay. So here you will find the descriptive statistics. In the descriptive statistics, you will find the descriptives. So you are clicking age. Then okay. Is it clear? So this is the left panel. There you will find all the commands. And the right panel, basically your output. And please you follow, this is your syntax. So this is your syntax. You can copy, you can go to the file, then you can go to the new, then you can go to the syntax. So your syntax window is ready. So now you can write down descriptives, variables, statistics, mean, all those things you have write down. After that, you click the run command. So you have to, yes, you have to so if you write down this command, then automatically you will get the output. Okay. So you are getting this same output. Is it clear to all of you?
No, sir, it was not visible for us, sir.
স্যার উইন্ডোটা আসছে না
বলবে তো
স্যার লিখেছি চ্যাট বক্সে
চ্যাট বক্স দেখতে পাচ্ছি না
আচ্ছা স্যার
যখন
উইন্ডোটা আসছে
পড়াচ্ছি তখন তো আসতে আর দেখতে পাচ্ছি না ওকে
হ্যাঁ স্যার ঠিক
Is it visible to all of you?
Now it is visible.
হ্যাঁ স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে এখন
Okay, so now it is visible. Okay, so this is the descriptive statistics, and you will find the central tendency is 26.91. Okay, now you can click the analyze, then descriptive statistics, then frequencies. So this is the frequency. You can click the age, you can click the sex also. After that, you can click the OK. This is clear now. So you will get the frequency table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this frequency is by age. Another frequency is the by male, female. Okay, because you have declared that is M equal to 1, F equal to 2. Since you have declared, accordingly, you will get the frequency percentage, valid percentage, and cumulative percentage. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Sir, may I ask one thing?
Sure.
Sir, is valid percent আর cumulative percent স্যার এই দুটো কি মানে এমনি পার্সেন্টটা তো বুঝলাম মানে ভ্যালিড পার্সেন্টেজ এই কথাটা স্যার বুঝতে পারছি না
Valid percentage means there is no missing data.
আচ্ছা 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 স্যার cumulative টা
Cumulative is adding.
মানে
That is
cumulative
9.1 plus 9.1, 18.2,
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
18.2 plus 18.2, 36.4.
আচ্ছা
Like
স্যার
that, you will
স্যার
get.
গট ইট থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার থ্যাংক ইউ
Is it clear to all of you?
Sir, today is first class, so I couldn't understand many of the things.
স্যার বলছিলাম যে আমি তো এখন বাসে আছি স্যার সব ঠিকমতো ফলো করতে পারছি না আমি পরবর্তী সময় যখন শুনবো তখন যদি কোনো কোয়ারিজ থাকে আমি কি গ্রুপে করতে পারি
হ্যাঁ গ্রুপে করতে পারেন So now I am showing the bar chart. This is the data visualization. So this is the bar chart. Is this bar chart visible? Hello.
না স্যার আসেনি এখনো চারটা
Oh. Okay, up to this because now it is already 9. So I think whatever I have told you today, and that is visible to all of you. Okay, so you have understood how to enter the data also, and how to manage the label and how to make the meta dictionary. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, everybody. Please close your hands for the conclusion prayer. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Please you join the Google Classroom and write your answer for my question.